Welcome. In front of me I have Realme X2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how you can change video quality of your screen recorder. So at the first you have to go for the settings, tap on the search pool and type screen recording. Okay, sorry, it was the misclick. Let's go back to the settings. Screen recording, yeah, here it is. You can find it also in the additional settings. So let's enter, and as you can see, when you go for the display section and find the video resolution, we can easily change it between these three options: high, medium, low. We can also customize. We can set it up manually, and here we got also the bitrate. So let's go for the highest resolution. After that, you can just simply go back and then close the settings. So that's how you can change it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!